Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to insert and display a wide landscape style table inside a portrait in Microsoft Word without changing the entire document or orientation. This is extremely useful when your document is a portrait or your table is a portrait, but you need to include large table schedules or data sheets that require extra horizontal space. Today, instead of rotating the whole table, you will learn a clean and professional method using section breaks and page orientation tools. So let's get started. Now I go to a blank page, then increase the page size, then go to the insert menu and creating a table. Now I create the table, but this table is a landscape. Now we make this table a portrait. Select the table, then go to the corner of the table, then we can see here a arrow. Now I click and press on our mouse, then make the table portrait. Now we can see we make the landscape table to portrait very easily. I hope you understand this process. This is a very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.